In this video, I'm going to find the cosine of 15 degrees. So what might pop out to you at the beginning is that cosine of 15 degrees is half of cosine of 30 degrees. Now, when we find the cosine of 30 degrees, we can use the half angle formula to find the cosine of 15 degrees. So I'm just going to write down the half angle formula. It is cosine of whatever angle you are looking for over 2. So in this case, it would be 30 over 2 to find the cosine of 15. That is going to be the plus minus the square root of 1 plus cosine theta over 2. Now, the only difference between the sine and the cosine in this case is just whether that's a plus or a minus. Also, important to note that we're only going to be using the positive value because cosine of 15 is a positive number. So anyways, plugging this in, we are going to have cosine of 30 over 2, of course in degrees, is equal to the plus minus square root of 1 plus cosine of 30 degrees over 2. And now, to find out what this is equal to, I need to find out what the cosine of 30 degrees is equal to. I'm going to draw my unit circle, 30 degrees. Now remember, cosine is the x value. So if I draw a 1 triangle beneath it, I'm going to have 60 degrees there, 60 degrees here, and 60 degrees there, meaning that this is an equilateral triangle. So this length right over here is 1/2 because all of these lengths are 1, and I need to find out what this x length over here is. To do that, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. It's going to be 1 squared, which is equal to 1. It's going to be 1/2 squared, which is 1/4, plus x squared. So we have x squared is 3 over 4. X is square root of 3 over 2. So now this equation became, because we know it's positive, I can just get rid of this negative over here. 1 plus the square root of 3 over 2 divided by 2. And there you go, that's your answer. You could simplify it a bit more, maybe use a calculator if your teacher wants you to. But anyways, this basically is the answer. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.